Hello everyone. Today I want to introduce you to a professional dew point temperature and humidity sensor, the HENGKO HT608. It has the following main features. 1. The dew point temperature and humidity sensor adopts high-quality 316L stainless steel shell, which guarantees the stability and long service life of the product. 2. The sintered stainless steel porous protective shell is removable and replaceable. The appearance, aperture, installation joints, etc., can be customized according to project requirements. 3. The sensor uses a high-precision sensing chip and a self-developed high-efficiency sensing system. It can simultaneously measure ambient temperature, wet bulb temperature, and dew point temperature with high accuracy and fast response. 4. It supports RS485 Modbus-RTU communication, and the back-end interface adopts 4 wires. The aviation plug can be customized for easy installation and replacement. This dew point temperature and humidity sensor can be widely used in industrial refrigeration, meteorology, environmental protection, agriculture, and other fields, ensuring accurate measurement and control in production and life. Thank you for watching. Please contact us today if you have any needs. Thank you.